So as the numbers keep soaring, they also soar for the medical officers who are in the front line. This time we're focusing on Pumwani. There's something that's going on there. More than 22 nurses have tested positive there, and they're complaining that they don't have PPEs. They're about to go slow as we speak. But the sources at the Nairobi Metropolitan Services say they're not on any go slow. Pumwani Maternity Hospital risks closure after 22 health workers tested positive of COVID-19. And as Mashirima Kapombe reports, nurses at the facility began a go-slow today to push for provision of proper protective gear, even as the government says they should not panic.
A maternity hospital that delivers 15 to 20 babies every day is in crisis. At the entrance, no one is allowed beyond this point. Marlene Kweyu is among hundreds of expectant mothers who were turned away. Kweyu has been coming here for prenatal care since she got pregnant, but just when she was close to the finish line...
Actually, nilikuwa nafanya books leo. Pia wanasema hawawezi. So wanatuambia until further notice.
Health workers who over the last few months attended to her have downed their tools. The health workers say they are not ready to take the risk after 22 of their colleagues contracted the virus. They include 7 from the maternal child health clinic, 3 nurses from the newborn unit, 2 from the labor ward, 1 from the antenatal ward, 3 nurses from the HIV comprehensive care clinic, 1 mortician, and 4 from the operating theatre. The government, however, maintains that there is no panic just yet.
If we are confident that the hospital is clean and we don't have the same situation, then it is not necessary to close the hospital. But of course, the safety of people and the safety particularly of children and infants in the hospital will be paramount and #1 concern.
Around 22 who are positive, right? That we know. And most of the others who have been tested have not yet received results. So we are still waiting for the results. I was expecting maybe the management to say, now that we had some cases of positive, COVID positive, they could have closed the hospital, fumigated it maybe for around 2 weeks, then we come back.
This text message worries them more.
Our staff are just neglected, being sent a text message instead of being condoled and said.
Similar concerns were raised by frontline workers during the burial of Dr. Loreen Lugaliki, the first doctor to die of COVID-19 in the country. So far, 417 health workers have been infected by the novel coronavirus. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 Emergency Fund, in partnership with Equity Bank, donated personal protective equipment worth 3.8 million shillings to Machakos County Government.
The way you have devoted yourself to this country and to our people, only God can reward you. This is just a token of appreciation that we recognize and appreciate what you are doing.
The donation is set to serve the county for 1.5 years. Nairobi, Mombasa and Kwale are also among counties that have benefited from the fund. Mashirima Kapombe, Citizen TV.